Good morning, it's Paul Rugarber. Quick story today. Boy playing baseball out in his backyard, right? Got the bat and ball, throws the ball up, swings, and misses. Picks the ball up again, pitch two, he's up, and he misses. He's getting a little depressed right now, thinking, man, what the heck's going on here? Picks that ball up for the third time, looks up, he's got this one, he's got this one, he's got this one. Oh, and he misses. He looks down at the ball, says, wow, I never realized I could pitch that well. It's about how you look at things in life. You could be depressed about what you're missing, what you're not doing, but you got to look at things and say, what am I doing well? How can I turn the situation around and say, how can I appreciate what I'm doing? How can I say, yes, I'm doing something well? How do you look at your situation differently? When we compare ourselves to others, we don't know what's going on in other people's lives. We don't know how successful they are, how much money they have, how their inner relationships are working with family and friends and spouses. All we know is what we have and how we want to look at what we have, and being appreciative of what we have, being thankful for what we have. So look at your situation a little bit differently today. Appreciate what you have, enjoy your life, and have an awesome day.